what is your trade? I cannot answer this for you, but if you're in my class, you either do mother bar, inside bar, gaps, or levels. And you got to choose one. You can make money with all of them. You can be profitable with all of them. The next thing, how much money do you want to make a day? You have to know that because you'll know whether or not you're hitting your target or not. So you have to name that. I would like to make $200 a day, $300 a day. Here's a caveat. Don't go to $15,000 right now. I know you're going to make it in a day, but let's just, hey, whatever your job, whatever that pays you, let's try and replace that. If it's $100,000 a year, you have to make $400 a day. If it's $200,000 a year, you have to make $800 a day. So let's just try and replace what we would make on our job. That way you don't have to go there anymore.